What's up guys, it is me Opal from Interior Vibes, back again with my first DIY video. Though it is not my first DIY, but it's my first DIY on camera. So let's get started. So guys, I have these 3 planks of pine wood here. The length and breadth are 7.5 and 5.5 inch respectively. From here you guys have 2 options. You can either place the pot directly on the plank, or you can make a hole in the center of 4.5 inch so that it can hold your pot and your pot doesn't fall off. I am going with the second option here because I have to hang this in my balcony. Let's go to the carpenter and get the hole cut. Similarly, we will drill small holes for rope on every corner. Once we are finished with the holes, we're gonna give the finishing with the sandpaper. So now to make it look more attracting, I'm gonna paint it guys. But before that, I'll have to remove the pen marks which carpenter put for the marking. So for this, we will need a sandpaper. See me how I am doing it guys. Just make sure you don't use the sandpaper too much because it's gonna make your plank uneven. Just enough to remove the marking. Once it's done, we are gonna paint it. For this, we will need sponge, chalk acrylic paint, and the shade which I am using is Teal Tango. I've got this from Itsy Bitsy and I'll put the link below in the description in case you wanna buy it. And we will also need a color tray with little water in it. Make sure you don't mix too much of water, otherwise you will have to layer it twice or thrice. Once mixed, let's paint. Once first side is dried, we will start painting the other side. Once both the sides are properly dried up, we will paint the edges and keep them to dry. Once the paint is fully dried, I'm gonna apply a layer of transparent varnish because as I told, I'm gonna hang this in my balcony. So it will protect this from rainwater and gives it a good shiny finish. Now we are gonna mix the varnish with spirit or mineral turpentine oil. Make sure the amount of spirit is half of the amount of varnish, and then we are gonna apply it with a small piece of cloth or brush. I recommend you guys to use a piece of small cloth because if you will use the brushes will leave its mark on the wooden piece. Now it's time to go out, guys, and buy some plants. I'm going to this my favorite nursery in Bangalore. So guys, I have bought these 3 plants as well as these 3 pots. I'm going to mention the name in the description below. You can check it there. Now we will do the potting. Now back to planks, we are going to pass this rope through these small holes and make a knot below it so that it will hold our plank from shifting down when we keep our pot in it. Once we are done, it's gonna look something like this. Please watch the video till the end guys, we still have something to show you. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. तब तक के लिए see you guys in my next video.
Oh shit, there is Pillu. Oh shit.
क्या